everyone, I'm Chloe May and welcome to my channel. For today's episode, I will show how I paint my quilling background. I will try to paint a pastel, but actually I'm not a painter. Let's see what I can do. This is just an experiment. I combine acrylic with water. So let's see what's the result. I believe that there is no harm of trying. So I decided to change it. I pour the acrylic in the board. Actually, I combined the acrylic and water, more water, because I want to create a rough texture. I let the painting dry and this is the result. I'm a little satisfied because there's a lot of mistakes. I still like the color combination. Well, love your mistake and love your own work. I think I need more practice. As you can see, it's messy. I will still use this board because I want to create a quilling project that a combination of Mother Nature, Earth, and the universe. I drew some lines as a guide. I watched some YouTube tutorial that you need to varnish Med Podge to protect the painting, so I try it. And this is the end of my video. Always remember, there's no harm of trying. Practice more. Gain a lot of mistakes so you can learn from it. Thank you for watching. Bye!